On with a new scholarship and exciting video. Today video is about East West Center Graduate Degree Fellowship Program in USA. And today I will guide you about the scholarship, that how you can apply in a university and on the scholarship. First of all, we move toward its little bit introduction. So about this scholarship is also known as EWC Graduate Degree Fellowship 2026 in USA, and it's fully funded. Host country is United States, and host organization is East West Center. Host institute is University of Hawaii. Mānoa Campus, USA. Degree level is a master and doctoral. And last date of this scholarship is 1st December 2025. What kind of documents I already explained that in my previous videos, that what kind of documents you need in every scholarship, and what kind of benefit you will get, that 100% scholarship waiver, on campus housing, health insurance, UAE visa sponsorship, and also they will provide you visa scholarship, visa help, and monthly stipend. They will provide you a monthly stipend to fulfill your daily needs. So now, how to apply for this scholarship? There are two phases to apply in this scholarship. First of all, you have to apply in a Hawaii University campus for a program, and then after getting the official letter or invitation letter, any admission notice from the university, then you are eligible for the EWC Fellowship program. Now, first of all, I will guide you that how you can choose a program at Hawaii University. Okay, this is the main site of the Hawaii University, and here University of Hawaii at Manoa. You can choose program and check their requirement and click on apply. Now, for example, if we click on a program, so there is a lot of program here from you can search by your previous degree there. For example, if your previous degree is computer biology, chemistry, anyone, so you can search the scholarship here about it. And they also mention about that for a master and for a doctor degree, and here ABC, and there's a lot of programs here you can search about it. After that, when you search your program, what you have to do now, just click on, also you can check for the requirement and click apply now. After clicking on apply now, you will face this interface of the university website. And here you have to select your term, like you have to enroll in spring 2026, summer or 26, or fall 2026. After selecting any one of these, so depend on your condition, that when you are graduating and when you are going to apply for this scholarship. But remember one thing, the last date is December. First of all, you have to send the application in Hawaii University and getting admission notice, and then you are eligible for the scholarship. I will guide you that how you can apply in Hawaii University, and then how you apply for a East West Center fellowship program. So you can choose one of these. So it depends on you. For example, if I choose Spring 2026 here, and then you have to click on apply here, and also you can click on apply here. After getting that, they will lead you your application program, and they will give you that how you can choose the program. For example, I show you here apply. And because I already choose my program, so therefore it's showing that information to me. But when you click on apply, they will give you the program list. So from there you can add your program. There is a plus sign on the left side, just click on plus, and then you will face this website. And one more thing, that some programs have application fee and some programs don't have application fee. But application fee is for the University of Hawaii at Manoa, but there is no application fee for the scholarship application. Scholarship application is different one. Like for example, if I sign out here, you can create account. Click on create account, and give your information about that, where you are living, which country you are have a passport, and also you have to design your password for the application portal. But before going to this one, I want to show you something here, that who can apply on this scholarship. So the United States Pacific region, these countries belongs to the Pacific region, can apply on it. South Asia, including Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Iran, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. East Asia, China, Hong Kong, Japan, Macau, Mongolia, North Korea, South Korea, Russia, and Taiwan. So they can apply. How to apply? I will guide you there. An application form and instruction, you can read it here. After that, I want to show you that awards detail, that what kind of award you will get from the scholarship. First of all, they will provide you a full-time graduate tuition fee up for the academic years. They will they will provide you housing in East West Center Residence Hall for the academic year, a stipend to partially cover food and incidental expenses. They will also give you a stipend, and all provision above are subjected to change. So they also mention detail about the residency, housing, length of award, visa, and also you can get information for the visa. If you are not citizen and you don't have a permanent residency, you have to apply for the J1 visitor. Exchange visitor visa are subject to all provisions of the U.S. State Department. Funding and deferral spouse are not allowed in the scholarship. You cannot take your spouse in the scholarship. So remember these things. Supplemental funding, you can also get the supplemental funding from the other organization, foundation, or your professors. And travel grant, subject to funding availability. Funding for field study and conference presentation is offered to degree fellows on a competitive basis during the study program. If you are studying there, they will provide you a field study, conference grant. They will provide you all of the things, but there is a lot of competition. You have to prepare yourself for this scholarship. Okay, this is the information, total information. Now I already told you that how you can make an account. We already make an account. You can click on apply. You have to sign in here and click on sign in. I already select two programs. So after signing, they will give you a this page. So what you have to do now? Section 1 is your personal information. Number 2 is academic history, sporting information, and program materials. So it have 7 section. You can see that you have to provide a biographic information here, contact information here, race and ethnicity, citizenship. So we can move toward, because when you have to make your portal application, they will ask you that you are citizen of USA or non-USA. Because I'm international student, so I choose non-USA citizenship. So here they will ask you the citizenship. By citizen, I am from Pakistan, so I choose Pakistan here. Are you currently living in the US? I will select no. What is your intended visa type or immigrant status for the study? So what kind of visa you need? So you have to choose a visa. I already show you that what kind of visa you need. So that visa you have to choose from here. Okay, and then you can click on save and continue. After that, they will ask you about the military information. You have to provide it. Other information, you have to give information about it, like social security number. Click below the, you can click it here and leave it empty. You can leave empty SSN number. You have to provide information about your parents. Your are you belong to any Hawaii ancestors? So you can click on no. You have university ID. You can leave it empty. Okay. After that, the residency, you can, I will be 17 or younger when I attend. I will be 18 year or older than. You can click on it. Where you claim by parent legal guardian on their personal income tax in the last tax year, you can click it no and yes. So you can choose as it is, and from here you can choose the country. So this is the first part. You have to complete it. After completing the first part, you can save and continue, or you can come and back. And here, now you can add your academic history, high school attend and college attend. You know, you should note that how you can add. Click on add high school and you can put the information here. After that, college student, college attendant, you have attend any college, you can add the information about the college attendee. After that, the third part is the sporting document. Click on sporting document. They have some related questions, so you have to answer these, answer all of these questions. Release statement, you can click on I agree and save and continue. And last one is the documentation. review document, accepted file. You can add degree certificate, your test score, your transcript, your updated additional document. You have any additional document, you can add all of them, and you can save and continue. Okay, so now the we can see this is a sporting, this is a sporting information. There is a further information about the document you want to add. After that is a program material. So I told you that I choose two program here, like entomology for MS spring 2026 and conflict resolution graduate certificate. So you can choose any of the program. For example, I click on it here, this is a program, I choose it, so you can get the information about it here. I'm telling you again that there may be some fee about the program, so it depends on your program. Here you can, after completing four step, if you want to add another program, you can search it here. I can show you that how you can add program from the beginning. Like for example, click on plus. It will automatically add in your scholarship in your program. So if you animal science, you can click here plus sign. It will automatically add your profile, but you have to check the date that is still admission are open or not. So there is a lot of program here, you can search different program by according to your previous education. Okay, after doing this one, submit application, you can click on submit application. But I told you that I choose two program, they have some fee. So you have to check the program. When you check the program, they will show you there is a fee or not. It depends on you that you have to pay it or no. After that when you complete your application on Hawaii University portal and check status and submit the application, they will send you, after careful checking your document and your application, they will send you some kind of information like maybe admission notice or other thing. One more thing I want to tell you about the ad program. If your program date is already over, for example some program like 9/1 it's already over, so what you can do, you can email to their administrator and ask them that I can apply for this program but the date is over, can you provide me any slot. They are eligible to provide a slot after that, after if already date is passed. So it depends on you that how you can contact with them. Okay, after submitting application, check status. When you receive your ID, what you have to know. Now we will move to the other section. I want to show you something. You must submit a separate application to the University of Hawaii. So we complete this part. We submit the application in the until December and then apply online for the EWC Fellowship program. And now you have to click on the link. I will add all of the link, a website link, programs link in the my video descriptions, as you can easily get from it. This is the main website, I already show you the information from here, and this is the form where you have to apply it. You don't need to make any separate account here. Simply you can link your application portal with your Gmail account, because in the laptop your account is already signed in. You can link your portal with a Gmail account, and it will give you all of the information. First of all, that please indicate your graduate student status at UHMS. You have to fill all of the information. If you're applying now, you can current graduate student or accepted or prospective student. So these information depends on, because we already applied, you will get the information before December, and before December you have to apply on this scholarship. You are non-citizen and you are Pakistani, and which country you belong, it depends on you. A type of application is a new application. So what kind of scholarship you are applying? This video is about East West Center Award. So you have to check on this. Please indicate all EW fellowship programs. So there is a three programs you want to apply. So one is GDF, Obochi, and ADB. So we are applying for GDF. You can choose this one. So those other people who already have some offer letter from the universities, they can also apply for these other scholarships. One is the Japan scholarship program, other is the Obachi student scholarship program. Have you received scholarship mean ke previous you have to apply for it. You can check have never and have never. Where you learn about it, Facebook, social media, personal information, you have to add your family name, given name, your middle name, and your US student ID. US student ID you will get when you are admitted in the university. Here I already show you that how you can apply on it. Choose your sex program, you are male or female. Add email, your current mailing address, your permanent address here you can add, and current position and institution you can put it no. and you can leave it empty. Current visa status, you can leave it empty. I show you that what kind of visa you need. Date of birth, if you are currently in the USA, indicate your current visa, otherwise you don't need to put information here. Birthplace, your primary phone number, your primary email address, your academic information. So here you can see that which program you apply, so which majors you like. So there's a lot of program offering by this scholarship. So what kind of degree you are going to apply, like a master and doctoral, list all of the higher education. So what you have to do now, you have to do now, like for a batch, if you're going to apply for a doctoral degree, you can add information for master and bachelor, like your major degree, your date of degree awarded, and all of the information they mention here. You can add language proficiency like English fluent and Urdu native. A short question, you have to answer these. List other institute, other scholarship you get. These are simple answer. You can read the question and answer them here easily. List the country which in you have traveled or resided. So I traveled Taiwan, Saudi Arabia, and Malaysia. So I put all of that information, and also you have to mention the date. They also give you example at the end of each question. You can read the questions here and put information. Your long range goal, your reason for applying for this scholarship, your biography, community service activity, intercultural learning environment, and reference letter. And here you can put reference letter, like they give you a information, write the name, position, employee, and write the email of your professor and send a request, same as it is for the reference number 2. After that, after getting three reference, you need a three recommendation letter for this scholarship, because it's a USA. In a USA, it's very difficult to get the scholarship. If they are giving you a full funded with the housing, with the stipend scholarship, so it's a great opportunity for you. It mean that the people who are going to pay a lot of money to the consultant or other things, like one more than 90 lakhs or more than $20,000 for going to USA. So it's an easy way. You can get a scholarship and go to USA, and you can study there respectively. These are a supporting document. You can add your CV, your graduate program, your proof of admission. You will get a proof of admission when you apply here. Any other information you have to passport bio page. Funding, they mention about the scholarship that they will provide you $500 monthly stipend, $600 for your when you go for allowance when you go there, and also the other information they mention here. Okay, so here one important thing that I already told you, that apply only GDF. If you have to choose both GDF foundation, it means that you can, if you are not eligible for GDF, they will give you a foundational scholarship. So better choose point B. And after that, you have to put your no application, sign your name in here, click on agree, and you can click on submit here. After submitting, you have to wait the result. If you already have acceptance letter University of Hawaii Manoa, you can easily get this scholarship. So first of all, until the 1st December, prepare your document, prepare your application for the university. Choose programs, choose those programs who don't have a fee. But is if you have a fee, it's a small investment, it's not a big investment for you. For the USA, there is no any requirement of a bank statement, because you have a full funded scholarship. Choose program, apply now, and share this video with your friend, with your country fellows, with other country fellow in a group, that they can apply and easily get the scholarship in the USA. Until that time, remember me in your prepare. We will meet you again with a new scholarship and a new video.